Yeah, you know, breakups just isn't always the best, but it happens to the best of us.
You can put me on airplane mode.
Yeah.
You still gotta think about me. You want someone to hold. You still gotta think about me. It can take you all night or the rest of your life, but until you change your mind, you can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me.
My life is on fire, where's everything so burnt? I trusted everything you said to me. You promised my life won't hurt. You ran a sword in my heart, and everything's all over. Cleaned up my act for you, I want to go sober. Now I'm looking up for another girl like I'm on it. She left me on the road, sick and tired, just I gotta vomit. She was all fake to me like comic. Why you be so toxic? You took my heart and you said you fucking dropped it. Shit. Wanted someone to make my night, but my eyes keep leaking. I got a million heartbreaks that I never believe in. Can't last anyone like he can. You in my trust, so I'm drinking. Got locked the door, crying the weekends. Yeah. Never felt so alone inside. Try to be happy, but it's the hardest. I got looking for you up at the market. You fooled me once, you fooled me twice. Damn, I wasn't the smartest. I skipped my life for you. What the hell is your motives?
Put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me. You want someone to hold. You still gotta think about me. It can take you all night or the rest of your life, but until you change your mind, you can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me.
I've been trying to hold your hand, but there's nothing I can grasp. I can't believe I thought we could forever last. Crying alone with you, why you think it's funny and laugh? I just want something real, but you made it all bad. Damn. All I ever wanted was someone to hold me with respect. Instead you had to leave me with someone else that you fucking met. Now my life is all a mess, can't believe it's all a wreck. I felt so alone in my room, my heart's like pounding out of my chest. Shit. My life has been so hard, feels like I'm on a mission. You're the only girl I won't be missing. You're the only girl that I never listen. Don't see why you're hurting, you have no vision. Yeah. Now I'm walking away like I have no escape. You ruined my life, everything is all a waste. You done everything that I've always hate. There's no time for you, you always running late. Anything I've done for you every single day. You slam my life like it's my birthday cake. So
airplane mode. You still gotta think about me. You want someone to hold. You still gotta think about me. It can take you all night or the rest of your life, but until you change your mind, you can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me.
yeah, I guess start my life over again. Taking things slow.